So we just arrived in Curacao, and this is our little rental here. I think it's called Enchanted Cottage. This is our view here in our garden. Here are iguanas down through there.
Oh, you want to feed it?
Yeah. Here, baby.
Come here.
This is going to be our first time going down to this beach. This used to be Sunset Waters Resort, and it closed a few years ago. And we're going to just follow this path down through here and see where it goes. Okay, so it's not that bad. I thought it would be pretty steep, but it's not. You can see over there where they're doing some demo. There are lizards all over this place. I don't know if you can see them. Oh, look at the little bitty shells everywhere. Do you see that?
Yeah, they were hanging on a plant up there. Just like leaves on a tree. Just little shells.
It's very hot in Curacao right now. I don't really know if I'm saying Curacao right. Curacao. I've heard it both ways. You can hear them doing construction right now.
Can go around.
I could, but I did.
What's the fun in that?
Whoa, thorny bush.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we got to figure out how to get down there from here. But they've got it locked up here. Oh, it's a nice breeze. Oh yeah, you just enter in through there. There you go.
Some people.
That hurt my butt.
I know, that poked me in the side.
Look at those iguanas down there chasing each other. Oh, goodness. I don't know what this would have been. Maybe the restaurant? I'm not sure what that is. Oh, nice. I want to get in that water right now. That view is beautiful though. Look at this. That's our house up there. Our rental house. They're going to put a lot of money into that resort and make it really nice. This is a beautiful area, so I hope they do make it even more beautiful, because this is just kind of an eyesore right now. Visibility doesn't look that great, does it?
Not there, but if you look over here.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to turn this off and attempt to walk on this. Because I know holding this, I'm not going to make it.
Say hello! Hey! There he goes.